Hello, guys. Welcome to this section with me. Now, today I'm going to show you something very important that can change your trading style and also increase your win rate. I want to show you what to do to increase your win rate if you have a poor win rate, and also how to increase your risk to reward ratio at the same time. Now, this is mainly for SMC traders that will trade with other blocks, supply and demand, whatever. This is for you. Okay. Let's start. Let me clear this. If you have a poor win rate and you want to increase your win rate so that you can bank more money from the market and also win more, the first thing you want to do is that start trading with high time frame market structure. Yes, start trading in the direction of the market structure on a higher time frame. A lot of traders that trade SMC sometimes focus mainly on their demand and supply on lower time frame, other blocks, you know, they ignore the higher time frame structure. Now, for you to do better, you have to start trading with the higher time frame market direction. There is no way around it. Why? Because the big funds are moved on higher time frame structure. Two is that this structure also it's capture lower time frame movement. Market is fractal, right? Whatever happened on lower time frame is what um combine to create the higher time frame trend, candles and structures, right? Now let me show you something. Let me tell you something about that. Your higher time frame has lower time frame included inside it, in a sense that higher time frame show you the big picture, what is happening on lower time frame. So if you follow the higher time frame, you should have more wins on lower time frame. So now let me show you what I mean. Step one, right? Know your higher time frame structure trend. Is it bearish or bullish? Step two, go to 4 hours time frame. Now, this is if you are trading swing trades like me, but if you trade like intraday trades, you can go to 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you like. But just make sure that go to that time frame and looking for structure that align with your daily time frame. So this is my 4 hours. What am I looking for? Bullish structure that align with my daily time frame structure. Here I have a bullish move, so my high is here. Where's my low? That the high is right here. So this is my structure. Where's my other block? Is here. Now set your alert. Let price come to your other block or your demand zone if it's supply and demand. Now price come to it. Sorry, your alarm gone off. What's the next step? Step three, take note of price momentum towards your OB. Is price showing signs of possible reversals at approach your OB, that is price slowing down? Now look at this. This whole move from the high to the low is just two candles. Why this is like 10 candles from here to here? You can measure with these two. You see, we have 11 candles that created this move. Why this is just two candles? So now this for me is a minus one. Why? Because we are following bullish structure. Now price is coming back to our OB, but the way price is coming, the way price came down to the OB is a red flag for me right there, in the sense that it's showing signs of sellers still in control. So this OB may fail, it may not hold. So however, you know that this is a game of probabilities, right? So nothing is sure. The point is you want to take trades that have the highest probability of working out for you. So daily being bullish is our structure. So 4 hours being bullish as well, that is plus one. This imbalance we have right there above our OB also plus one, clear imbalance. Now this here, this candle is too big towards this OB, this minus one. Okay, so far we have uh, um, 2 points and one negative point, so that is back to 1 point. So now, however, I'm seeing some um, bullish sign when I'm able to approach my other block. Where is it? This long wick show a strong buying pressure. Then this bullish candle. These two is a good sign for me that price actually slowing down to some extent, but not really to my taste. Okay, so now if you are taking a risk entry, you could have actually refined this OB on 1 hour time frame more back to this imbalance on 1 hour time frame. So for taking a risk entry, you could have entered right there, set your order at the open, the stop loss below. So and you go for this high. So let's see what happened. Now, what I was saying to you about how price came to this zone, it shows a strong selling presence and pressure. So, which can value this OB or affect it. Now, you can see when price was leaving this OB, this move is kind of sluggish, slow. This is the only move that is strong, very strong. Every other move here shows that it just kind of range right here above. So there's kind of a ranging period here. So it's why is this happening is because of this sell presence. This sell money is still in the market. Some are still left in the market. So hence this. So the buying right for buying pressure right from here is just strong enough to fully cancel this whole sell pressure. So let's see what happens next. And then do we hit TP there? Yes. Or do we hit TP? Almost. Okay. Let's our TP just hits right there. So that's it. So with this now, you should have a better win rate. But however, if you want to take it to the next level to increase your win rate to be far more better, or because you know that this move towards your OB is kind of it leave a lot of questions in your mind. You don't trust the move that truly this OB will hold and price will reverse. Then you can do something, which is to confirm this OB on lower time frame, go to 5 minute time frame. Provide this some to 1 minute time frame, but I provide 5 minute time frame for here. So mark your press now, put your OB, enter your OB, mark your high towards the OB and the low. What are you looking for? Wait for the high to be broken by price. And it just happened right there. Now, when you have your high broken by price, so what you want to do next is that um, you want to measure the move that break that high. How many candles we have from the low to the high? We have 5 candles. It happened within 5 minutes. While from here to the new high, we have 3 bars in 15 minutes. So this is telling me that there is a good buying pressure right here. So it's confirmed that item will be, so I want to set my order. Set it like this. You can do something like this. And our TP is a 4 hours high. We already marked. So let's see. Now price pull back, but did not tap into our order yet. So we have an OB right there with clear imbalance. So at this point now, we can set another order right here. Set another order here, and then go for the same 4 hour high. Now, here's this very important to me. Either if this is tagging, this will be missed, and then you can continue with this now. But if this one can actually hit the stop loss, while price come down, end up tagging this in, and then you end up see it TP at the same time. So whatever happens, either one of them will hit your TP, one will hit your stop loss, or at time only one will hit, while the other one will just be left on tag. The other will be left there. So let's see what happened next. Price tag us in now in this trade. TP it. So it's that simple and easy. So with this now, you should have a better win rate and also a much more sure risk to reward ratio. Sorry, higher risk to reward ratio. Now, so step 4, which is risk entry or confirmation entry, you have to decide which one you want to take, go for. But taking confirmation entries will give you a higher win rate as well. Um, yes, especially when you combine it with the steps above, you won't get to be so great. So very easy, very let me go back to it again for you, ready to understand what I mean. Okay, let's we okay, let's do this one. Take another example, what I'm saying. I'm seeing something here. Delhi is bullish, right? So go to 4 hours. Now 4 hours, what are you looking for? Looking for the same bullish structure and the OB that created the structure. Here we have our high. Here, where's the low that created the high? The low is here. Where do you have the OB? Our OB should be here, but there's no imbalance. So the imbalance came to the is here. Yep, this balance is actually right here. So it's such a order they open. So now I want to go to 1 hour time frame to refine that. But have something better to refine it with. Actually, it's going to be refined down to this. Yep. So now I'm seeing some kind of imbalance here, but it didn't break any structure, did it? No. So that's the right OB for it. So price tap into your OB. If you like, you can take a risk entry. If you want to give it a space to breathe. Go for this high. Let's see what happens. Now, before you do that, look at how price actually approach our OB. Look at it now. This is much more better than the previous one. Why? This move is pure so clean bullish move. But this whole move down back to the OB, it kind of a struggle. I see price actually struggling to come down, struggling to come down. So this is and more like it's extra confirmed that this OB will likely hold. So let's see what happens next. Price start giving and the ETP, but it end up giving you something like 4 hour before you end up hitting stop loss. So now if you compare with another time frame, you should have a much more better um IRR for this trade, even though it didn't hit your TP at the same time. So let's go to 5 minutes rather. 5 minutes. 5 minutes I want to confirm this OB. This is a high. Where is the low? It's not yet confirmed. Let's the low be confirmed yet. Yeah, that's been confirmed. This is the low. Let's wait. Let's see. Yeah, just broken the high. Now measure it again. We have from here to here something like 4 bars. We have 4 bar, 5 bars for 5 minutes. So while from here to this back to the high, we have just 3 bars 15 minutes. You can see that. So this is confirmed bullish. So where's the OB that caused the break of structure? You can use the weak trick, but the chances of being tagged into this trade reduces with that. This 6 pips. Let's see what happens next. The price tag goes in. Oh, miss it by few pips. So it's too fine. Now you can this is what happens when you refine your OB. So let's say so it like this, tag it in, and then we are in the trade. Price is moving. So now you have 20 hour on the same move. Now this is why confirming your OB on our time frame give you much bigger IRR. So the same move, different IRR. So see you in the next video.